Welcome back to Debt-Free Dreams, your go-to channel for mastering crypto and achieving financial freedom. In today's video, we're diving into day trading crypto in 2025. If you're new to trading or looking to sharpen your skills, stick around because we're covering 5 proven strategies designed specifically for beginners to help you navigate the ever-evolving crypto market. Crypto trading can be incredibly rewarding, but it's also high risk. That's why having a plan and the right tools is key to your success. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start trading crypto confidently in 2025. So, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay ahead of the game. Check the description below for links to helpful tools. Let's dive right in. Part 1. Start with a strong foundation. Before you begin trading, it's essential to build a solid foundation. Here's how. 1. Educate yourself. Learn the basics of crypto markets, technical analysis, and trading psychology. Use platforms like TradingView to familiarize yourself with advanced charting tools. 2. Choose the right tools. Portfolio trackers like CoinStats can help you monitor your trades. Consider 3 Commas, which offers automated bots to streamline your trading process. 3. Practice on a demo account. Use demo trading features on platforms like Bybit to test strategies without risking real money. Part 2. 5 proven day trading strategies. 1. Trend following. Identify and follow the market's overall direction. Use tools like TradingView to track moving averages, RSI, and MACD indicators. 2. Scalping. Focus on small, frequent profits by trading high-volume assets. This strategy requires speed, precision, and tight stop-loss orders. 3. Range trading. Identify support and resistance levels, then trade within these price ranges. Use charting tools to spot clear patterns. 4. News-based trading. Stay updated on market-moving events like government regulations, partnerships, or product launches. Use social media and reliable news sources to anticipate trends. 5. Risk management. Always set stop-loss and take profit levels to minimize losses and lock in gains. Only risk a small percentage of your portfolio on any single trade, ideally 1 to 2%. Check my video in the description below on how to minimize risks when trading crypto. Part 3. Tools for day trading success. The right tools can make all the difference. TradingView. Analyze trends with professional charting tools. CoinStats. Track your portfolio performance in real time. 3 Commas. Automate your trades and improve efficiency. Ellipal and Safepal wallets. Secure your crypto assets from potential threats. Remember, day trading isn't just about making profits. It's about protecting your capital and staying disciplined. Part 4. For common mistakes to avoid. Many beginners lose money because they fall into these traps. 1. Overtrading. Don't trade just for the sake of trading. Wait for clear signals and opportunities. 2. Ignoring risk management. Never trade without a stop-loss. Protect your capital at all costs. 3. Chasing fear of missing out. Don't buy into hype or make emotional decisions. Stick to your strategy. 4. Lack of patience. Success in day trading comes from consistency and learning from your mistakes. Day trading crypto in 2025 offers incredible opportunities, but it requires knowledge, discipline, and the right tools. Whether you're using trend-following strategies or scalping for quick gains, always prioritize risk management. If you found these tips helpful, remember to check out the links in the description for essential tools to get started with crypto trading. Hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments.